Hello, explorers! Welcome back to STEM with Dr. Owl. I'm so glad you could join us today.
Look, Dr. Owl. Look right here on this branch.
What have you found, Emma? You're being very quiet.
I don't want to wake it up. It's a chrysalis. There's a little green sleeping bag hanging from the twig. Do you think the caterpillar is having a nice nap inside?
A nap? Oh boy. Scanning for tiny pillows. Wait, is it wearing pajamas in there? Ooh, maybe it's in a sleeping bag downloading its wing software. Beep, boop, beep. Wings loading. 10%, 20%.
Ziggy, caterpillars don't have Wi-Fi. But what is it doing in there, Dr. Owl? If it's not sleeping, how does it turn into a butterfly?
That, Emma, is one of nature's most amazing mysteries. And you are not the only one wondering about it. Today we have a fantastic question from one of our explorers, Dominic, who is 6 years old. Dominic asks, how does the caterpillar transform into the butterfly in the chrysalis?
That's exactly what I want to know. Good question, Dominic.
Let's crack this case wide open. Or, gently observe it without cracking anything.
Exactly, Ziggy. Let's get ready to uncover the secrets of the chrysalis right after this.
Booting system, curiosity, on, logic, on, chicken dance protocol, stuck on. Book,
Ziggy, wrong button. Stop the clucking.
Hoot hoot! I suppose we're doing science and dancing today. Welcome to STEM with Dr. Owl. Here we explore how the world works.
With curiosity.
Protocol 404. If this show is fun, tell a friend. If it's not, it must be a software bug. Literally, there is a ladybug on my enter key.
Welcome back, explorers. Dominic asked us a brilliant question today. How does a caterpillar turn into a butterfly inside its chrysalis? To understand this, let's start at the very beginning of a butterfly's life.
Okay, I know they start as tiny little eggs.
Spot on! Egg, then caterpillar, then chrysalis, and finally, butterfly. That's the butterfly's life cycle. Now time for our first trivia question. Emma, Ziggy, and all our explorers listening at home. Which stage of a butterfly's life do you think eats the most? Is it the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis, or the butterfly?
Ooh, pick me. It has to be the butterfly. They fly around all day. They must need tons of snacks.
I think it's the caterpillar. I've seen them chomping on leaves all day long in my garden.
Emma, you are correct. The caterpillar is the champion eater. In fact, you can think of the caterpillar stage as the eating and growing stage. It eats constantly because it needs energy and building materials for the massive change coming up.
Oh, nuts. I guess butterflies are more into light snacking.
Now, when the caterpillar has eaten enough and is fully grown, it gets ready for the next stage. It forms a chrysalis.
Right, the little green sleeping bag I saw. But if it's not sleeping, what is a chrysalis? Is it like a cocoon?
Great question, Emma. Many people confuse them. Moths usually make cocoons, often spun from silk. But butterflies form a chrysalis. And a chrysalis isn't a sleeping bag or a tiny house that the caterpillar crawls into.
Wait, it doesn't build a house? Then where does the chrysalis come from? Did it order it online?
Oh, no online shopping for caterpillars, Ziggy. The chrysalis is actually part of the insect's own body. When the caterpillar is ready, it sheds its outer skin one last time, and the layer underneath hardens into the protective case we call the chrysalis.
Wow, so it's not a sleeping bag at all.
It's a body-built science pod. Welcome to the transformation station.
I like that, Ziggy. A transformation station. Inside this pod, the caterpillar goes through a process called metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. That's a huge word.
It is. Metamorphosis simply means a big body change. And Dominic, this is where the magic, or rather, the science, happens.
Tell us, Dr. Owl, what happens in the pod? Does it shrink? Does it stretch? Does it do jumping jacks?
Well, it's quite incredible. Remember how the caterpillar ate all those leaves? Inside the chrysalis, many of the caterpillar's body parts break down into a soft, nutrient-rich material.
Oh no, it turns to mush?
Not exactly mush, Emma. Think of it like a Lego set. Imagine you built a wonderful Lego caterpillar, but now you want to build a butterfly. You wouldn't throw the bricks away, right?
No way. I'd take the caterpillar apart carefully and use those same bricks to build the butterfly.
Exactly. The caterpillar's body parts are broken down so those bricks can be reused.
But wait, if the caterpillar is taken apart, who puts all the pieces back together?
That is the most amazing part. The butterfly isn't built from nothing. Special groups of hidden builder cells were already inside the caterpillar, just waiting.
Secret cells? Like tiny spies?
Sort of. Scientists call some of these groups imaginal discs.
Imaginal. Like imagination?
It sounds like it, doesn't it? But imaginal here comes from the word imago, which is the scientific term for the adult stage of an insect. These builder cells hold the instructions, the blueprint, for making all the butterfly parts.
Blueprint acquired. Initiating construction phase.
It's not chaos inside the chrysalis, even though it looks still on the outside. It's a very organized construction site. The instructions tell the cells exactly where to go and what to become.
What kind of new parts do they build?
Oh, so many things. They build beautiful wings, long, delicate legs, tall antennae, big compound eyes, a completely new body shape, and a special curled-up mouth part called a proboscis.
Proboscis. Sounds like a fancy way to say hello.
Not quite for saying hello. A proboscis is like a tiny drinking straw. Butterflies use it to sip sweet nectar from flowers.
A built-in face straw? That is super cool.
It is, Emma, and it shows why they need such a huge transformation. The caterpillar is built for eating and growing. The butterfly is built for flying, finding flowers, and eventually making the next generation of butterflies.
I love it. The caterpillar is the fuel tank, and the butterfly is the sports car. Vroom!
That's one way to look at it, Ziggy. Now, explorers, I have another question for you. When the butterfly finally pushes its way out of the chrysalis, what is the very first thing it does? Does it A, fly away immediately, B, eat a leaf, or C, wait?
Ooh, I want to say fly, but maybe that's a trick. I'll guess C. Wait!
I'm going with A. Launch sequence initiated. Blast off.
Emma, you are right again. The answer is C, wait.
Wait. But it just spent all that time building wings. Why wait?
Because when a butterfly first comes out, its wings are small, soft, and folded up. It needs to pump fluid from its body into the wings to expand them. Then, it has to wait patiently while the wings dry and harden. A butterfly's first job isn't flying, it is waiting.
Wow, that's actually really beautiful.
It is, Emma. It reminds us that sometimes the biggest changes happen quietly, hidden from view. Just like Dominic's chrysalis. Even when something looks completely still on the outside, amazing growth can be happening inside.
Thank you for explaining that, Dr. Owl. And thank you, Dominic, for such a wonderful question. Next time I see a chrysalis, I'll know there's a whole hidden construction site in there.
Yeah, thanks, Dominic. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go build a proboscis. I want to drink my motor oil through a curly straw.
Oh, good luck with that, Ziggy. Thank you all for joining us on STEM with Dr. Owl. Stay curious, explorers.
Wait, if I make the straw too long, will I suck up a bug? Probos kiss. Pro-bug kiss. Error. Error.
Oh, Ziggy. And that brings today's STEM adventure to a close. Remember, the world is full of wonders if you just know where to look.
Thanks for exploring with us. Don't forget to keep asking why.
Preparing shutdown sequence. Deleting. Browsing history. Deleting. Emma's math homework.
Ziggy, no! Don't delete that!
Just kidding. Robot humor. Curiosity stays on battery level 1%. Oh, almost forgot. If you have a question, leave it in the comments. My inbox is lonelier than a robot in a rainstorm.